Alonzo and John Lloyd Cruz reunite for their latest after a string of blockbuster movies and hit teleseries. Nagbabalik ang team-up nila Bea and John Lloyd on the big screen. Sumama kami sa first shooting day ng latest movie nila to see some behind-the-scenes action.
Hi guys! Hello! First of all, congratulations! Sobrang exciting naman you're working together again sa isang pelikula. We're so happy and we love the material. So, we're excited na may palabas na. Or ma-shoot buong movie. Can you tell us a bit about your roles dito sa movie na to?
Ako si Popoy. Gusto niya panalo lahat sa lahat ng aspecto sa love life, career, family. Ayun, matagal na kami we're 4 years, no? Together ng 4 years and parang nagkakaalam ng kanya-kanyang problema sa isa't isa. As the story goes, malalaman yung differences.
Ako naman si Basha. Kasi siya parang lost soul. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung gusto niya sa buhay.
Kakaibang romance ala Bea and John Lloyd daw ang mapapanood natin.
Kakaiba siya in that sense na love story siya. Pero hindi siyang simula ng love story. Parang madadagtan namin kayo sa gitna.
Kasi medyo marami na rin kami nagawang pelikula and with this one, we're trying to aim for a more mature approach.
So maraming surprises for all of you.
Napansin ng lahat ang mas fashionable na John Lloyd and the sexier Bea.
I've never asked you about it. Ano reaction mo sa bagong John Lloyd? Hindi yun. May isang adjective na makakapag-describe kay John Lloyd. Heartthrob. It's your turn, John Lloyd. Short comments sa super blooming mong ka-love.
Bukod siya nag-blooming din, talagang paganda ng paganda. At
Everybody wants to the crying child. Sure to be another certified box office. Talaga pinaghihirapan daw ni Bea and John Lloyd ng movie. They can give more back to their fans.
We're trying a very different approach. We're working very hard on it. Kami nilagay sila Cathy, si Bea, and the rest of the cast. Mahirap siya, pero hindi mo tiwala. Tiwala, sarili mo, tiwala ng director mo, ng co-stars. Ginagawa namin ito para, of course, makapag-present sa audience, sa mga fans namin, sa lahat ng supporters ng Bea and John Lloyd. Para naman meron kayong bagong makita and sana ma-appreciate mo.